Hey guys, this is Rep539, and I got my two figures at Toys R Us, and both of them are Sapphire Series Heritage. I got them at Toys R Us, and yeah, I was able to get two figures. Evan Bourne. I got Evan Bourne. Sapphire Series Heritage. Sorry if it's backwards again. I use my iPod. Yeah. They have The Rock, Chris Masters, John Cena, Big Show, and Sheamus. I couldn't find a Rock or Sheamus at Toys R Us. I could only find Chris Masters, John Cena, Big Show, and Evan Bourne. John Cena and the Big Show I didn't get because I already had them. I got Evan Bourne and Chris Masters. Here's Evan Bourne. I'm unboxing right now. Evan Bourne. I'll take him out later. And now Chris Masters. The Masterpiece Chris Masters, Survivor Series Heritage. Both of these are 2010 Survivor Series. Here's Chris Masters. M right there. Blue tights. Good face scan. Right, white wristbands, tattoos. Blue knee pads, white boot with the black, blue, like, right here. And then M on both. Just saying, these are not, elite like ones. They're regular ones. I don't know what they call them. Like, it's not Flex Force. It's like, I forgot what you call them when you can't bend them really, but it's okay. Chris Masters. Evan Bourne. Good face scan. Black muscle bands, I guess. Then white right here. White pants with awesome icon. They're awesome. And then awesome boots right here. This is Evan Bourne. Both of these figures, I hope you should get, really, if you want Chris Masters or Evan Bourne. This might really be the only Chris Masters ever in figure for Mattel. You should get him, and then Evan Bourne, you should really get this one. Unless you find a better one, which is if you find a Elite. Yeah. So yeah, this is my first unboxing ever for WWE figures. This might be my only one, unless I might do one for Christmas this year. Rate, subscribe, and stuff. Yeah. Uh, I really think you should get these figures. I really like them. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Again, this is my first ever unboxing and review of these figures. Posted them again at Survive Series Heritage. And again, sorry if you're they're not elite. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and yeah. Oh, also I might be doing another collection video, including these ones, another re-edit one. Because I maybe want to include these in it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Again, I got by 39 doing my. Well, yeah, you know what it was. Sorry, but thanks for watching.